aba ene ejuada miri edi Diane eduhene Jemfi kwata na kosia ifisa abrea ekusi se no otwe ebebode ene yentina na sentiment na Ghana nkomo yebedi da yeda sorry na se yanti asemfofra enye krom ha ene yebutu ne yaba ne so de na yaba yeba na se sebi yankwa yebegie ni so enti no sebi eson sebi enyado ansa na ebekọ so no na ensem bia etu ade nchichi ewo yemmemu hanom eno ena yenyina no yebehwe isanse wonsom yese onye nipa ena oman no so beyi ya efrime ene wo menu mienu enye me nko a ne senti ka me ho na no peyi ni Ghana ho enkomo ye de aseda e de ama obo ade na wia ye faseda etosu biem enfama ya boafo a emretiti ni nara wonu maso ya senia abesi sabre na wonu mu emreye enkanka eni odifo ewiemfo ba Samson kwakuyeboa odifo ewiemfo ba Samson kwakuyeboa anope yamawachi a ensa baba say odi hye biara na adwene mu ka no oyini no ma basa emobrowa enyanka ekrafo papa say yenyina yesene no enti yentutu mreka na yemraja pekrom ne bipie mo ja pekrom a ode ne drobe kan ma yaresa etimi ayedia ye ma menum adidi ma bibie wo ho tani shem tumefrem bibie mo enkoyi no sebie son sebie nyaado Madaroma papa say momraja pekrom na mbepie mo ho nkwa dia osobema sere ahye mafuno mu emma enti wonso no tutumreka na kodu ho the number ena eda screen so no fa na wone no entwetwe nkomo bibia ebe kama edi ama va bibia obi echa wate obade nyankopon onhraw onya wakoma so ade nyinara emfamaw na onyu efra dum enkwa dum esanse edwuma kese ena odi ato ho so obi ho a ohwe obi dako na mienu na miensa wabre enipa ho furo no isika sebi eyiye enafo na semwa na wotwe bia na wotwe mienu bia wo hye sika odi kodwum na ade akodidwa na sebi yanum aye ni bi yetimi anya bi adi ewo fie ho a enye fedi agro nhira ne ntontom ene nkanfo enka wudin kronkron no ewo beebi a wo bia minim se waje me so say amen wow papa number na that's kino so no friend sisi a odifo ewiemfo ba Samson kwaku yeboa na enuoma ebesisa ede amao anobe jemfase de biome emfama nisak professional painting papa paade eno ani nisak uhu nisak fo a won betwa painting bia de amao say your bedroom say your hall say your shop say your school dine say the institutions ahodo hotels munyina no monfa mojume nyina ma nisak professional painting wutidi na nisak professional painting no professional job ede amount ipacho we single room akọ high no upo bia mla ye nice painting the amount o che design ka krabi one kana out TV no bo a obi round them won so oh this guy is classy this lady is classy I myself say father nisak professional painting na onye emfamam so design obey no e chen say e wallpaper Misrawada, Etwaye, Ahunka, Akono, because Madame for the kitchen. Oh my God, it was extraordinary. When they say extraordinary, it was nice. Now, why was she desire? Mr. Kayamana, Ubekochi. So, what has I seen? I had ever more crack in the aji. Fabi says them, Fabi says you shop or Fabi says baby. Now, what's why? Now, I mean, you want Why ena wo ye adwuma e de ema no nso be ka say Diane waka ni nyina of course ye kwa ye ben na ye adwuma ma hwan sebi what I say adwuma bi a e ya ma akra ni nye bronya na ebe ebre na ni hyase painting no hyase na painting na bibi anye kama afetie me ebi a na wo ni adwuma wo ye Isaac Sebra na oma won tete 6 months 7 months 1 year you're done be hu painting na ni so na won so no o sorry a wo ma eye wo no ma so a na chese wo e na wo sen da bia meka mesi wo ni adwuma ya e ha adwene bonsam be pe bia ma wo si wo ni adwuma ya wɔnsan bɛpɛ bi ama wo nti ɛntena ho mfo ani nto obi so esi nipa ebedi hwamɔ nti ne serew wankasa free ne sack na wɔn ɛma wɔn tete sisi ya edwumakɔ mmienu wei na anɔpɛ wɔn agye brɛ na wɔn asɔmasene ɛma medi dwumadi ɛbro ɛyɛ cold morning show Monday to Thursday strictly politics na afei ne fiada no the trending stories making headlines in the world of showbiz no yɛde no so episode ɛde ama mo anɔpɛ yi yɛbɛdi nkɔmɔ na ansana no me motivation a me wo a me de ma and I say know whom to call a friend sabra yi wo no enye obia na efa na damfo keke enye obia and I was sorry ya oh madam funu no oh madam funu no madam funu no na o kaunse your nkrofo bi on ma wo mo so mo ye na afofo nanso wo mo mpo na sabi wo mo ni achigina pa e de man what the mekanas the kachigina pa adamfo ne adamfo sabi asem to a ne nsem efi ne num ebeba ehye nkuran ma abotoye mu etima sabi eson sabi enya ado wutimi like relax wo nerves wade ade ne kyere wo so no na sabi arewa hya wo so no wadamfo bitimi bopino emu oya nso bonse ne nsem efi ne num ebeka obeba nkuran hyesem di obeka de akyere wo no wa wutimu say you sabi eson sabi enya ado na ama relax. These are some of the friends that was here who say ye ni omo beji agro anase ye ni omo ebenanti ene ye wona mfo bi won so sabi o won mo no wo ka wasam cha do be ka che wo no anhwa ebesi adobo o ha kro na wona mu no anhwa wo du ti bebo dem anhwa betina ho a odwene ho a won ti ase adamfo bi won ma obe mislead you adamfo bi won ma enam no so bedi yi wadamfo bi won ma enam no so usuban bi besesa wadamfo bi won ma wo fa no so a ode wo kɔ oseyim enti anopai the tinti ameka chewa ne se enche bia de afe no eba wiye onamfo no nkofo anu omo nam nyina no tinase na wankasa mudie wo se woni ne toa so wo afofofra ye bewre mu it doesn't matter obi ho a oyadamfo wo se we do free me nchen a ebe ha me pao it doesn't matter you go fit won ye pomasem pa nanso what national assessment na wo so omufu abrabo ma let them go na gina pintin na wankasa tu anamon fofo na hu se we yadamfo pa we nya adamfo pa we yadamfo pa we nya adamfo pa maka ne miyinu nyame nka ho so obeye ne sade amame obi o a ono na adamfo na oton no ono adamfo the secret ne guabonten ono na adamfo ono na ko chasum sam no asamba ya ni sunto na watam eno a na ohama adamfo ne adamfo sebi esom mama example ne baako so ho onfo wusinto da bia asa wo shortcomings ne ho na ohama na oka de ebe so na oka no so know whom to call a friend what it know whom to call a friend anopay ma show cry ewi wo 5 minutes so why there yakopon na da romanti enoma ebejane ede amount so know whom to call a friend if you know what them no bia no afana damfo obi kwati fa ne customer so me customer oh madam free no oh madam free no oh me nuane no obi fi kro ba me nuane no uni mi fi kro ba konti we dem ma me ma no to so sen ewo mi senka oh we de ye kan nza oh me ni fi kro ba ko ni fi kro ba ko sa oh me nuane no oh me brand no oh me sister no no kre was say me hu sesebio me pa na was come baba no omu ye me nuanom nanso ye kan me enu what I say they are not my friends they are my panel members and when they come I need to do everything for them to be happy ya pon there's a limit to conversation meet me no my head edi and almost so one limit of conversations one betimi ade enemy edi they are not my friends in court and would you be and what to attire madam no Sebio papa Taylor ube pamata oh madam no maza madam so mo ame ne fi wo eba madam no kro no na o secret no de ba want Unity, hey, madam, no, and no crack. They are our talking mates. Actually, we are my talking mates. No native, but you are not my friend. Yeah, kasa all right because I am a penno. And it's over choosing me as a friend. I will choose you. And maybe that may catch a madam we say, maybe Diane me say, I just say, maybe choose you, say, where am I downfall? Because you can't choose me. Yes, you, my friends that are watching, don't get it twisted. But just say, me choose you. Me choose you. You can't choose me. Because who choose me na me komechi. Who choose me na me komechi. Who choose me na me komechi. Na me ya assessment. Okay, wait them not say fine. Wait them dia go. Every madam be say I na obi nsra wo fie mi si David. Me obi nsra me e wo me fie. It is always sra wo me fie, which means I have chosen you as my friend. Until obi me choose you obi anti me na for nti omo mu ni mfi omo nu tu. But you remember come to obi ani me fie. Ani but I choose my friends wisely. Nipa nye. Oh, I saw it here, Annie, and I don't know. But you don't know my house. You don't know me. What you know about me, and when you're here, you need to know, and I will know. But I choose you, or I choose my friends carefully. And to want to so no pay my show crime, me trust so. Choose your friends wisely. Some friends are dangerous. Some friends are abemubufo. Some friends can kill you. Omonumu nsem ensem fata. We be catch you, I say I am sorry. And so one boa. O kade ebe yo. Ebe yo ya. Catch you so obi a obebi a meku kwa ne ya. Ebi mu ano asem no. Na menka ho no ye wakoma sade nyina efama ho. Kamera kakra bi na de afe no ekọ na wiye. Esrew, choose your friends wisely. Na obi benya ho a na efidi oben wo. Job fiefo nya ne nyina no na efi ni fiefo na won so obi benya ho a ifu na afofo enti ya ye vigilant. Mawie. Anopei abrantie bi na asema ode aba. O si lady, Mr. Bra, say brother, or say sister, if you see who, Miss Aden, or sister, when him say, many lady be at Sana for 5 years under the same roof. 5 years so, the same roof, same roof, like when that's not dying by Kumu, not knowing say, or a salmon, Sebi, say, or a salmon, and on an atsna. No say, or you're driving. And na okokwan so na waba adrama fo asebie son sebie nyaadwo okay me fancy na de min progress oso driver ni na okohia lady bi e wo na kwantum like for konkran kumasenkran na okohia lady bi ti lady na no ho ye ne fe na one ne kasae e no say one ne betina e na omo start say omutu anamo abom ti anomuntu na mu no na de ne kan say oh ono no ne maami afrim ne papa afrim oni obi a enti so one ne betina de a ene ade na sebie son sebie nyaado enkokọ ho a ohun no no oso hu no nkokọ onfiri nkokọ ho no ne ma metina mum e wo kumase abonten so enti bra yi so onye shape enti menye obi a nko so me ofo ba ko akwantum enti oba a me no obekọ ho ne akwa akochia no ne wo hu se me no mienu eneti na busuafo bra yi se lady ne kan sa cho so kenya hwe o de ye hwe bra ne yentina mini ba minu yere minu obi a enti sa dia me amani je ho I'll marry you and o say o ma sister ni firi nkokọ eba kumase no na betina bom afi ba ku mienu miensa enan enum no ofa kro no osi abuche ba no wo mai no na kwa akochia no na we no say anamonto mu 5 years akwantuo na no na nyinsen ba ku nyinsen mienu nyinsen miensa abem one na wo miensa one na te but onye no ho ade wadaroma tie ni yi o onye no ho ade osi o ma me afrim papa afrim ono nko a na emom no no afọ abrochi ofa ne so beba to oba no wode na kochia no oni family member bia for now a obetimi ede na ko ama wakwakochia no so ɔtwɛn sɛ no ɔfa baba na wɔfa nakasa ɔsi ɔbaa ya ɔma bi hunu na agya abranteɛ no ayɛ no ho adeɛ na abranteɛ so okay no problem no ne natena nti ɔno atɛm fihyia baako mmienu mmiɛnsa ɛnan enum ɛna ma mmiɛnsa epie na wei na ɔse na kwantuo na ɔde kaa ne firi Kumase na ɔkɔ Nkran ɔde kɔ Kumase na ɔkɔ Nkran na baabi a ohyia ɔbaa no a sɛbi ɔsɛ ne pɛ no ɛwɔ nkɔkɔɔ hɔ no nti obi ɛde na ama ne de ɛde ma no ɛna ɔkɔ pake ne kaa no ɛwɔ ho a ɔkɔgye ama ne no nti ɔkɔgye ama ne no ɛna nipa na ɔde ama ne de no ɛma no no tio ɛka sɛ bra na ɔho yɛ de na nipa somasi a wone ne te no wonim ne de na ɔsɛ ɛdeɛ na woka wonim nipa na me ne te no ɔsɛ ai nipa somasi sɛ ha yi ankɔkɔ ha na wobɛhu no driver bra ne sɛ hɔ na ɔsɛ dan a mehu asɛ mehu dwem nam sɛ na lady ne so me pɛ na sister yɛ ɔde amanedi ma me na woni ho na yɛ dan na wɔno wahu sɛ ne lady ne net ɔsɛ adan wo yɛ dan na hu ɔsɛ sɛ ha ya na ɔte na ɔka wa asɛm nti ɛno nti na ama mpɛ sɛ mede mama ne di ma wo na wo nso no wodi kɔ Kumase ɛde kɔma nipa si ma me na ɔsɛ hwɛ sister na ɔne te no wafiri mu bɛɛ 7 years ni o ɔsɛ di asɛm na okay sister na ɔne te no wafiri mu wawu bɛɛ 7 years ni na bra ne sɛ wawu sɛn nipa am ne te die wawu a kasabi kamne no ɛnti ɔsɛ sister no wafiri mu odi ɔpako ɛna asɛm yi amaka kyerɛ ha me de pastor ma ɔsɛ fa kɔma nipa wei ɛwɔ Kumase no wobɛkɔ ofie hɔ no na sister no lady no ɛni hɔ efi sɛ wahu sɛ meka asɛm na kyerɛ wo sisi nti wanhwɛ wobɛkɔ no na oni hɔ bra ne so ɛhɔ a na sɛ wɔse agu no aso ohu de ɔnyɛ ɔkɔtɛ sie no ɔse no ntimi drive kakra na ɔse ɔdi ebedu Kumase first thing ɔpake ne car na ɛna ɔkɔ ofie ampa ɔkɔyɛ a lady no ɛni hɔ nanso ɔne na wo enkwala miensa ɔse ohuni a wɔnyɛ asɛm no atija na wotwini ɔse ohuni a ɔnyɛ enkra no ɔde ɔmo fa hi ɛdeɛ no bɛka kyerɛ enkra no ɛna ɔno ankasa kora no ne samaya tena ɛne na wo nkwala miensa no ɔnyɛ den adesmama asɛm a yɛde abrɛm sɛ mebisa mo sɛ wɔnyɛ den ɔde nkra ne fa hi ɛdeɛ na ɔnka kyerɛ nkra no afi no sɛbi ɔno a asɛma na ɔne samaya tena samane deɛ na ohunu wɔ no ho nti a ɔsedan mehu lady ne deɛ na ohunu wɔ me ho sɛbi o meni ne baabi makɔpɛ na watimi agye pene ɛne me abɛtena mfinhyia num ɛne me awɔ nkwala miensa what should I do me whole system no sese asesa me ni anigye me hyɛ me dan mu a I'm say hi dududu me hu deɛ menyɛ me ho ahyɛmama maame no papa no me nua ma me nua mɛma mo tie me anɔpɛ both on the social media mo amote me nka anɔpɛ me kyia mo nyinaa Yvonne Odefu Adu Amankwa Bossip mo nyinaa anɔpɛ me kyia mo na me ma mo akye papa sasra kusra da me mo akye wate papa ho ya me ho ye papa pambo anɔpɛ me kyia mo asɔfo mpanimfoɔ deɛ da hɔ ni odiɛ na mbɛka kyerɛ branti wɔnyɛ den enkra miensa ɔde ɔmo ɛfa hinini ɔne samai na atena mfinhyia num ewiase mu nsɛm ɛdɔso prophet Martin Wadankwa me kyia mo nana ya na bedwafo ta no so me kyia mo ho ya me so me ho ye ɛna anɔpɛ enye easy mo mfrɛ me ne ni nkomo me pa cho be kwaifo aduanaba me kyia mo kodwa sempa furniture west me kyia mo ho ya me so me ho ye 2 pm asantemanpo me kyia mo afei oboasefo sister C enyo maame aunt me wonyina kye Yakopon onka won ho AGA school teacher fo nyina me kyia no oboasefo Anglo Good Ashanti school teachers me kyia mo nyina nyame onka mo ho enye easy edien na ohu ewo sebi obra yi ho nti a one betna ye Prince me kyia o Sanso Regan me kyia o mo nyina me kyia mo nyina want we di enye boapayo edi no joson anopay enye easy kela Kumase anopay me kyia wate asante me kyia wate me kyia mo nyina na brane kasem si So on Saman party me atna 3 years or mawo. Me and 5 years or mawo me and sa 0202668461 0202668461 na ensimpi eyen simpi ede no ho obra no ho akono ben yasoma na anaden na so obaye no wa me bra ne bone bra say onya me hwe yete fefefe na so sister no de amane de bra me ka kire me say woni se nipa na net no en saman de o se de na wo kai o so de opa hwe ube ko fie no oni ho ampa obaye a sister yi wa hwehwe ni bebia efi kire ben mo hu me yiri me yiri wa heni o enkra mama wams mama apie bisi sabri wa fifie ho nanso no bra say otifie ho so se dem ho eye ne dududu one ne ho ba ta fedie wayera asebio ohun no fanisa enso ni mo te senia ode ne nsa na so ni mu na sebio otimi na one ne timi eda no that then it is gone and gone arahosem kese papa no masofo ye de na be ka kire mo a mo de hye mo be me onkoye boni o nanso saman ne na betina ne na wo enkwala miensa 0202668461 mo activity me line mama ma bia tum frame na yenu komo yesi da ye daniel sorry ni anti asem fofra na enyi krom ha na yebutu yaba ne de na yaba ane enye easy o edio hello good morning.
Good morning, Diane. Papa Diane.
If I saw what to say.
Nyanya dum Diane. Regan.
Regan Wadaro.
Diane. Diane, baby, I'll Palumba will be another point with you. Diane, if you are said I want, Mama dependent, yes, if you are now what? You are seeing. You are seeing, and means I'm not toss. By young Abemano, and share me, Shannon of Pines, and no man Abem. Akwanya bebree wɔ hɔ yɛwɔ ahohom ahorow ana yɛwɔ mpanimfoɔ a ebetumi aboa no saa kwan so yɛwɔ spiritualist a ebetumi aboa no ɔnhwɛ bi akyira kwan na nea ɛsɛ ɔmo yɛ ma no biara onya n'ahotɔ ɛne mmɔfra no a ɔn aba asase so no because sɛ mmɔfra wotumi nku wɔn wotumi nyɛ wɔn hwee ɛna wotumi ɛnka sɛ ɔɔpo wɔn na mmom akɔnya a anaasɛ kwan a obetumi afa so ɛyɛ sɛ ɔbɛpɛ obi a ɔwɔ honhom ahoɔden bi anaa ɔwɔ tumi a obetumi de akɛnsɛn ɔne mmɔfra no nyinaa na wama wɔn bambɔ wɔ Awurade Nyankopɔn mu because sɛ saa nneɛma wɔntu saa anammɔn no a obetumi adi ne nya na otu anammɔn nso deɛ a ɛbɛboa no because Nyankopɔn nim kwan a ɔfa so ɛyɛ ne bibiara ma ɔmma awerɛhoɔ nhyɛ no so ɔmbɛpɛ anaasɛ wɔnhwɛ spiritual review na ɔntumi mmoa no because ɛde agitum dɛ ahohom wɔ wiase because Bible aka ama yɛn nyinaa akyerɛ sɛ nipa ne honam ne mogya ɛna ɛnya mmom ne wiem atumfoɔ mpanini a ahombɔne bebree because sɛ wofa nneɛma tra a nneɛma bɛkɔ atia wo nti mɛsrɛ no sɛ ma ɔma n'akoma ntu ɔmpɛ obi a obɛtumi aboa no
Mesumi da se pa Regan bra wasumo anope otu TV ho na sedan na me kwa adwuma nti mesro de amanfo be kan no me de be ye adwuma nti wasuma me nim se wuti wonso frame ni nkomo 0202668461 me fa course be me ensa bi na fe no mema menu abafo ache na yemura yensem no ne nsamaba ane His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wakasa yen papa na kwa probo no so no so ekasa ye de nsem bi atudwa na nsem odi tudwa no na His Excellency former president be kasa e de afa ho amanfo nso social media amanfo kasa president Mahama former president ni say na Trump ye yanka say no ye ya sebi son sebi nyado kama fo nsa nto aba mana ama o enka wakwa opese wo be de ka policies nka woni abrigidigidi e ka de wo be na so de wo po na
hello Oba Diane
Prophet Martin Aquaba, Yetio, and Miss by some Chroma, and
Our Pajaso did you. You, yes, you don't patch you, Busan is a Brampa, open mana. I think a Busan Kaka.
Papa Patronium,
Open ma, but to Bunipa Ebuma. Then go be a woman in Muadia, and mean to be then go between our miansa.
Okay.
And go do. But you have none. But the dream may be sure a fit through a bonipa. Don't come off. Oh, Master. Yeah, maybe an number more. Or more keke. The beer, nipper beer, no idea or sources. Nothing in you. Boo here, pa. So soon only who know from Abrabo, never pure. So you be old Muadia. I'm saying good boom can cry. If I get scranto, no. So, you boo. Pa. The orphan who ye. But the mechanic said, I only be a film. Yeah, no need to do any uncoupon. Or 2 years, I believe, sir, to be other sister. I want Brabo. No, bye bye.
So Papa Casempa, Ibiana, bra, Ibia make us say, we will be a opema, but ubuma, intina sebi a son sebianado. Spirited to me no bet none, woo boomer, well, boona man what's name fishenum. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, oh, Miniaba, Diana, Unia Bemanio, and Diana Bakudinashi, Diana, Masum, oh, Atlantic Cry, Diana, Mamma Break, I mean, Shia, or Epunan, or Chief with Papa, Diana, more to go with you, Diana, I'm a paid year, Diana, why is it pop, and I could phone question slow, Diana, and then be a horse, the baby, Diana, to be trimmed. Why the pan dying? I'm cheer, me, a wool say that in Shanko, what is. Then they be on the show, my dying, my papa, and a picture, and in Quansha, I would say, which I saw to be behind the crab of the then I mean, should I enjoy and call you more? Then, when pushing my brain, Sam, and mean, she had the car mine. And I was there for job, you know, came and after what you down with you, and you know, my pabo, the billet and your quadra. Dan kapra meka nyina nse dan ablante nse nse dan opadeɛfo na mpanimfoɔ sɛ wopɛ adeɛfo a wonya asɛm adefodi dan ade nti a meka sɛ dan wonyɛ ɔbaa tena pɔle 5 years dan wantumi ankɔhwɛ ɔbaa no akyiri kwan mmarima no maa yɛtumi nyina dan nyimpa nyɛ asua de no afutuo dan wone bɛrima tena na ɔtwe bɛyɛ mmienu a dan ate wohu ɔmaame no na busuafoɔ ne kurom nyina dan asɛ wokɔ ɛyɛ bɛrima n'asɛde na ɔbaa n'asɛde nyina sɛ yɛnkɔhwɛ aberanteɛ akyiri kwan bɛyɛ no social media ba wobɛtumi ne ɔbaa akasa bɛyɛ 1 year a ɔbɛma no abɛkyerɛ dan ɛno no hwiw dan aberanteɛ no ɔpɛ adefoɔ de nti na asɛm nyinaa so no na nti na ɛyɛ ayɛ nkɔ ɔbaa no koraa ku no ɛka ho na me nua baako di nka wɔnkɔ obi ɔmampɛn na wɔnkɔ dan wɔnkɔhwɛ na ayi no me dan ne mu na meyiyi o baako na magye adi paa de si bɛkɔ a nti bɛkyerɛ maa ne mɛma nyinaa sɛ sɛ ɔde bɛrima tea na sɛ na ɔba tea woma nkɔhwɛ n'abusuafoɔ na deda yie ɛntena nso yɛ dan aberante na ɔpadeɛfo wo ne ɔba tena fa wo na wo mmiɛnso ɔntumi ankɔhwɛ n'akyiri kwan na nkɔ nwoma na ɔpadeɛ a sɛ yɛ na apɛ no mmarima no ɛtie ne ɛpadeɛfo no saa na bɛtoɛ ɛnyɛ mmaa nyina na yɛ nipa na mmarima nyina nso yɛ nipa dan ɛne nyame no adwuma m daase
but no say ɔbaa no ɔka kyerɛ no ɔbaa no ka kyerɛ nso ne maame ni hɔ ne papa ni hɔ ne mmom ne wɔfa baako a akwantuom nti wɔfa ne ba a ɔde ne bɛkɔ na wakɔ akɔkyia na biribiara a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ no wayɛ de ama wɔfa no nti nyɛ sɛ bi a wɔamusa no nti sei ɛna ɛteɛ mehyɛ aseɛ no meka de ka ho ane nti sei ɛna ɛteɛ well last caller Emra if possible na afei no ana 2 calls bi na ma me nua baafo akɔ aba ma fe no mu na kye ai ne de nyame ayi poma kwan mu ma waba abɛka me nsɛm ne sɛ ɔbɛka gye agum so me ne no mienu a owie ya na say free Xmas gift no ebi so je me na ma start gye hello good morning good morning me pacho good morning
Good morning.
Wadaro
The
ma
patrol.
ma me odi ni
Person
baby
in the pastel. Abranteɛ no girl no ɔne ne fie anaa
Me pa cho
Hello, good morning.
my jo so onyo ni ne free. O se papa no bra ne ye driver ni. Otwi car efri nkran. Ebe Kumasi, otwi bi fi Kumasi ekọ nkran. Enti nkran kwan so Kumasi kwan so na ano. Ena wo mo na onam no, ena okohia oba bi ewo nkoko. Ena on na di nkomo, na oba na gitu mu, akọpẹ no na ogitu mu. Ena o se okay no wabusuafo en kan pese be hu omo. Ena oba ne ka kire be ma ne se, me ma mi afri mu, me papa afri mu. Na mo me wafa baako ewo akwantuom. Enti twɛn me wafa ne ba na me de wakọ akọtia no. Na wa mamre bi obey a wa ya ama no. Enti ba man say santi me nya obi a enchia no. No so there bi. No so okay me dem ti Kumasi to ba ofin kokọ be sra no Kumasi. E no ne start say wo mo tena. E just so ni obi a. E no so okay fine. So what can dey a be man so pray so hu abusua o mo chia o mo at least me tie say bi o be man na o ne person medicine no. O ba fi be chia ma mikate. Ene papa kodwa adu hine. Yetu anam anye ye no ta ne baby. Sa na tie. Enti sa na be man so person ko ye. Then so unfortunately no oba ne ka che so obi e di ho no. And also okay, no problem. No start on your bani to an man and you say back with me, Rabem. And Coco Kumasi Kwan, you so and crying Kumasi Kwan, you are. And about Bisham so bra. May the pass today, mount, Nafako Kumasi mammy. Na, eh, brother, only so ban on this. We're free moody. The one of obeying as it is said, or banner free. No, I we are make catch away. Obe do feel no ban will you. Ampany and pa, Granny be do feel no ban will you. So now, means, a dear now.
Also, Sophie, no, fire more.
Okay.
Never be.
Okay.
Oh, no, and so far for that.
Okay.
Okay.
Me that's the past sweetheart. And you know, last call I'm run off, you know, young far phone, you know, AC. And you see, be a sebi, or party for, or you're not used to try and move and say, no, what am I way? I mean, quite the same dinner. Well, I want to see your mom, you know. I want to see your mom. Oh, Mr. Wushamano. See, hello, good morning. Last caller, good morning. Good morning. Okay, when you need to know, mammy for floor. Oh, friend, I meet you. Any abro, I dread there will be any abro palm. I just say, I wrote one problem as shanna sooner. Open view now, dear. What do you even know your noise? And any abro, Bradley says to know. And I wash me with you. Easy. So on this mighty. But ever quite things a prophet Kaya. Nay, me there was the wing name when it said, or see Bemano, and they say, to woman, you know, on a summer bet not summer and a she. That's a fair she knew, then I will call me and son. One car bet to me. Son away, ma, was your woo over content. Cassavasa. Am I a ring? Yet shira, yet to me. Last caller, I am waiting for you. Sana me man so de tie. If you say I know I didn't chidi me ko. E be ka bia no. E ye ho. Na man de ne ana e dangerous so do me tia se di tia yakopon ye de sa. Because me man de I don't know. I stand to be corrected though. But the man no bra we do be bra kwesi so bi. Eish. Bra we de me sama ne manyam. Bra we de me se. Wo hu no ho ano dampa bi wan edibochi. Na wo twetwede. Na wo twetwede. Asa ofra se wusi. Aseti ase wu line no. Oh. Asemo. All depends on sending awoni oba betina. All depends on sending awoni be ma betina. So we be me ya. Wo be ye yiyo. We obe ya. Sa na won so be ye. Obu oba. Che oba betimi ahira wo sa. Say maybe I'm in the stage of over 20 years. Then so no say no see no yenti no. There be am say well, we dem na nwale de na nso ya bi sire be hira no no. Minyo hu traffic mo no ko wen ma madam say what's a park. Oh Jim so park. Park. We so park. I say come on, we so park. Hey, my petrol. Hey, my fool. Give it to me. So dear, are you going to collect them? So give it to me and let me go. I said, okay, you take it. We'll talk, okay? Take care. I'm proud of you. Because I'm also proud of you. Me kwana say ya misra no nya ne keste no nya ska bebre no de bi ma na yiri wie no say hia me say ne ex kwan so na me yire na we samam kakra na we oba ne naja we hyira oda na bi odome wo me fa ko bi be ma ne naja o hyira oda o kai wo papa bi e hyira oda wo de bia no me nko a enipa na edi agro o hyira oda wo konkonsa woni obi a ye kire ni nti no da bia sister we o bebre no konkonsa bi odi to me so bra we konkonsa bi odi to me so pam ne nkofo bi ye mu entem tete wo hu no ho ano anu ade o ya me hu ye mo body starting patch o seek for forgiveness asana afina kona we o ne fi January 1st e kono wa start asese wo nhira o wo be shata rifita kwotsa so dem 31st jara bia pa na mu se kuma sise bi so se bi ngam ko bro ni bi su kodi agro hey na du bro nya wo bi asha jara bia white mi ni anom kremufo ntade ni nyina wo mo age afa na am say oh maybe e ba bo ma am so comment hey running body a maga ba ye chobo wam so hey edu 31st me sure mo sa wo bia sha white wo bia minimum say nyam ho the first on pa wa she won
Yes.
no mo de nkramufo de no mo ji pa wo mo ni bia ho pe so wow so ko bai abra bodada na repent change seek for forgiveness wow sha wo ko fu ba ya yo mo bone nkete hwe what your text message kura text call Yakobo say ah send me message kura wan reply me opa oh ene dey me frachi I want to say boni ade didi do excess before no mo titi fie boni ayesem ti mo se nipa no nka asem boni so wa boa wanya sa no mo ya won to wo na no wa food wa ya me hu ye mobo anope yaba jebedu nkomo advice in the opa na ofa madafu ne catch us no kure opa na aka enti no advice no opa na ofa wa amfa ye so ye be fa ye de enti no igu so paper jo nkete on bia ye obone eja ti mini amom go e bia mate o mate fo mo zibe mate na chana e bia am tia no so won ta me ho kora na wa ye de se madam de mi mfi no sa na ote menim po se ya na o ka ne sa de a wan ka ne sa pa no ka se madam de e bi mo de shram are famous de shram are de me no wa oh asha enwan okay anope his excellency former president of the Republic of Ghana wakasa na probo ni mu no dey say bi etu just say sebio I mean starting to say yem papa Matthew Opoku Prempeh aprobo a MPP boni gidigidi a chesa adaje enipu so one ne bra penny Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia doctor oye flag bearer edema the New Patriotic Party amanyuko kese MPP osanso ye the vice president of the Republic of Ghana aprobono enye fedi agro na wotwetwe mu bepi mu kumase I don't know so nko you know let me say aprobono opie ha oda so I think so oda so ha kra owura ha no owura ha ogina ha na no ofori krom na enche say yasem ketu say senkra ne no nkoso mu fi no mu dum bebu na enye fedi agro ni adade na aprobono mu no wotimu se obi agina simpie so a wakasa obi agina simpie so a wakasa na ya papa Matthew Opoku Prempeh agina simpie so wakasa sebi eson sebi enyaado yesi wo die wo mu a je ni nyawo enti se wo ye muslimi ni a eya won soso no to aba fama sebi wo nua muslimi ni sebi se metifia he na ye se ye chaade a na famous se makostande ye say radio personality TV personality of the year enti mu sa me ho na makoto am obi foforo ana abra me ne mo wa hai enti motuma me ana aye de ti said emre bi etwa mu ye papa papa sindu e ba bonte be kan say ono anu workers kra nto aba amfa ma no nya me nsa ne ade no say ya ho se papa etua workers kapans workers ti edwum wo ni enti mi anto aba ba akokra amfa ma papa edu ntwo no na enti ye papa Matthew Opoku Prempeh ejina simpis no ka say wo ye mozemini ha na auto about the master be so say be nya ade papa price e haram nti no kwan say woto edmani papa for toma eye won so die Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia na we oka asase mu wi ya pe na former president abakopen abedi bi pen na se o san pe so san ba biem ti se Donald Trump dibi na odi ne measures ni no magu akwemu na enu nam so ama America for ensan to abade amana na san be president bi mu no papa so baba ye president bi Ghana for to abama ogina simpie so ade o kan nyina se bi eson se bi enya ado onyankopɔn ɔsɛ ala sɛ ɔmfa ɛyɛ papa Matthew Poku Prempe ɛbɔne ɛmfa kyɛ no so ɔgyina so mfi so aka sɛ woyɛ mozamini na woto aba ɛde ma ɛyɛ sɛ bi ɛso ɔno a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ haram no ɔmfa ne bɔne ɛmfa nkyɛ no nɛnɛ ɛna wokɔ social media nso na amanfoɔ ne comment ɛyɛ na mepɛka yo mehu sɛ nkurɔfoɔ post video comment ne pictures a comment ɛyɛ na mekɔka yo na amanfoɔ keka wɔ comment ase sɛ papa sɛnea sɛ bi ɛso sɛ bi ɛnya ado aka na kakra bi ama yɛato abɛyi amanfoɔ ni aburo bi ade ne policy we meye wo de we ka asɛm a ɛna ɔbɛpeke ɛna wo de preach fa ho ɛne yɛ build statue a wo si we Nana build statue ɛna kyerɛ sɛ no akɔ initiate da bi kasa de no mfa nka de ɔbɛyɛ ɛna we ka asɛm a ɛna ɔbɛquote ɛna ɔde preach is it are they your policies ɛno na making ka bebree ɛwɔ ha but then wɔn mo comment wɔn de bɛ mfa mo ɛno na yɛ papa job brand money mama so bɛka mfa mo comment no mo pack no and I don't pay Yenua Belma Mafino was I love one thing about him that's his smiles Papu Bonimo which means say na Australia day Bafwado Isaac Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the National Democratic Congress Amanyuku Kesie and DC Waway Wabo Jamagra what is it? That was really? Yes, I didn't see her. Wudu. Miriam Bema Wudu. Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the new Patriotic Party. Then I'm a come on as a party.
The new say party no more day.
What party you know?
Minister. Daya party ni more day. Ana won say Debia won say ya na woka. But for us was say and from ebo oba o free just so eba on asphalt so. It ya better than any. Oh, because time o minister ba for back asa bring ko nya nuru ha no. So when dey join. Ana first won say just so community no. How are you see I je on no.
Oh really?
Odu hon mo say na nani achi.
Wow.
Oh eti na da bia no na siri I dey be.
Bafo and they make be Bafo naturally no up smiling
the up there neso so say no enam yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sent no so Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sent no awo hu initiative pa Dr. Diego Akwama o ze Diane ye friend is Wednesday no Thursday ye yeah last week you know me abia credit score ene yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia alanche as I say me no ma obi a oye adwuma bia wo Ghana card afi so de ubetimi Africa na fi atete on kakra no nya me say any dem soko mortgage no me ade nyina ubetimi aseke o chese abrochi aba Ghana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
okay abrochi aba Ghana there of course you call you ko share your video we na yemra ye ba ye beru oh my god you will run so am I fool you? Let's watch the video and come perform to go and pass more kind of
If you are a Muslim and you take your pen and you go and vote, it's not for Samuel Abuchi and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you make a mistake and you vote for NDC, it is haram. If you are a Muslim and you take your pen and you go and vote, it's not for Samuel Abuchi and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you make a mistake and you vote for NDC, it is haram. If you are a Muslim and you take your pen and you go and vote, it's not for Samuel Abuchi and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you make a mistake and you vote for NDC, it is haram. If you are a Muslim and you take your pen and you go and
politicians and discussing so ever discussing and pay. Of course, now woman mutifia hey, na sisi a nominate me. And to more who are done any famous, any say Kobe, any papa Sam Dakus. And to be some wakota will be there. Besa wakota ama my family ame darling Antna. Antina wo Repa TV. Na me wo eku otini a nominate me a. Me ni antina na mo atwa me abo. Na makoto ama antina na. Da bi haram. Haram. Ana nya haram. Ana what's my brother? Bravo. Ada 87 minutes yi. Ti ube buta mo bi fofo. They are nominating me.
It depends.
Better. Okay, Mama 15 minutes.
Depends.
Top party no. Any here. Man for mama to abama. Wo so top party no. Near a break kakra so nye the die kind the way kind na mo preach party no mo ton. Mo fa mo policies mu na nkofo nhwe trese. Asetena yi mu any policies e kura mo amode ba. Na nkofo nto abama mo. Na nye dan asem o kan no abefa dan asem na de abeye policy. David, what are you preaching? No, today, like, I want to talk. Yes, today I want to talk. And I want to talk.
Yes.
Today I want to talk. Political parties. We and I waste to say, we cramp on me. Then you can say, can we discuss this idea we cry? Yes, because, but in a way, so like I say, hey, are they me a Muslim? You can say me tomorrow. No, more being the man who see bonnet. But you see, Metiha. Na my example say I'm nominating me. Na me fearful na say the park is in do ye park is in. E be twa woman to aba farmer no. Ne workers o tia mo kagian bag for ni ajade. Na mo amuma papa 00000. Na e bobo aba na papa 10 na workers on kwa branch ba ko mo mo ten. Na say mo nya de. Enti say me ni mutifia na am nominating me ni antina na say mo se mo vote am antina am dia. Hey Arab. Enti no Munya sade na momfa mo politics emu odum 3 days aka maami Kate na suban bi wono ho Sagana Black Stars for obo matcha me maami timi ohia na say ya sha Black Stars na maami atose Ewrade Yakopon sana maami life na maami do abete TV so facha maami timi di nkoto juno de gu for Ewrade 3 minutes aka Ghana for be share yes me maami Kate suban na make me ne maami na se ma wo so dey na osihwe Ghana for a 1 minute to cry Ghana for Betty. Ube wana Ghana for Shaba can go near the people in this. Mammy believe in no. And she means to me believe in a set. You these 2 political parties we have in Ghana here. May abandon me to be at it. I feel I'm saying person me to be. And Tino Mesramo. When you say, now bring up your policies. Now convince me I'm into Abama. Baba Kasa. Haram. Great. Great.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Maybe will be our
president.
Yes, maybe will be a young
person.
Nafi Machia, because I'm chairman, Chama Mwati. Maybe will be also so. Because I'm a boss to produce, so maybe will be a chairman. Afi young for young Samson. Yeah, Koyan Samson. Say, I think we am it. Yana topics na hase topics yana manager. Is mammy quine. Emma meet me near man.
Okay.
Former President John Dramani Mahama. Sorry. Tikesia. A Sunday papa. And near ma or yeah.
Okay.
A ma yenuano incredible.
Okay.
And that topic in every day.
Great.
Yes. And say, yeah, come. You say haram. Na posi haram. Haram chere se ade a ye chiri o. Sesa e chere se ye chiri ye nkremofo ye chiri.
Enye chiri.
Ja.
O enye. Enye.
Enye.
Ka se enye ne wo bebre.
Okay. Enti enye.
Na se mi te na wo twa mo koto abama na enye.
Enye se ne sa de Bible so ka se Yesu ka se go say me ba mi die. Anso me die ani. Na e condition.
Okay.
Ebi na po eke. Okay. Se enti wigidi mi ti asesi ami mu me instant kire me se nkremofo ento aba mma ba umi ata.
Amonto man.
Deputy.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Ensi.
Okay.
We were reasons.
Now how many beto man what are your reasons?
Oh, nkremofo de omu nyina je. John Dramani Mahama
Okay.
ewo baby ya
Saa.
no matter what.
No, no, they are yenye nto.
Oh, Budo cry jidi.
No,
Budo oji
no,
tu.
I'm talking to you. Libudo. Now, I'm going to say, didn't I omonye nto. So no so ye kramoni.
Oh, etwa wetwa omo no.
Wetwa omo.
Enkremufo, unim se enkremo ya suma ye ntwantro ho.
Nkamofo na se bi so se bi ando. Omo bo mu ti ase e o ya asore no.
Yes.
Na wo mo ade e Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ne yire omo bo mu ti ase bompa e. Eno omo ntoma no nemo no beto ama. Former president Mahama wono okwa asore omo ni ti ase mu asore. Ye beto ama no.
Yes.
Okay, yanko.
Esan say edi enti na ombeto ama no. Di enti ombeto ama no bi ne say. Maka jo se enkremufo e suma me poma sem papa nti mina mfofo nyina.
Mrs.
Yes. Asuma ye ntwantro wo me no. Omo mpe adefe sem so bitwa omo ntro. A blacker, let them know say black. Okay. A whiter, let them know say black. Okay. We no free mass. Yanti krom hanna Bawumia e ka kire say Vice President. Budo the one fans so kro na obebo.
Wo dey ka so na mo ka
Yanti krom hanna Vice President.
Mo ka former president.
Second
Excellency Vice President John Dramani Mahama. Na mo ka city president vice na ma bonidi Akufo-Addo. Bawumia.
Second.
I don't know how much I
don't know money. Second gentleman of the land. Second gentleman of the land. The chi obi eniho, the news obi eniho.
Great.
Yes. Maybe obi a anopowe.
Ochiano, wajo so.
Machiano. Ite me hu say oh no wa hodjora na ba.
Wajo so fefe.
Na mum de kan de say. Ye nuanum kramofo de. Yeti Kumasi ha. Ani ehum se mire bi atwam. Sofo line Central Mosque na ewo ho na enkrofo bi afa control ase gi asase no afri ye nuanum kramofo ensem na sika na ewo ho 2.8 billion old Ghana cedis. Okay. Ye nuanum kramofo timi bo moden enya mu 1.8 ekotwa na aka 1 billion ye gi asase na from ensem omu where to go. And then omu fall on former president John Dramani Mahama. So for line and Kremufo sorry that is you. Only the 2 years 1 billion.
And because of that it's also much.
Oh yes, as no nim say Kwame Nkrumah na get 2 amount. But na nkrata bi enu. Okay. So ni eje free omu say ono na gina aye se bema. Eya obje obtua 1 billion the man Kremufo inu Kremufo. Ne omanya baabi a omu som. Unim say da bi omo be kwa sorry bia if you be omo mpa ma John Dramani Mahama. Yes, ade ba ko no. Ye Jikroma and a second gentleman of the land. Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. Eka say Zongo Development Fund on the ba. Sa Zongo Development Fund no. Bebe se mi hu, imi nu ebudo wa head ye wie bi obekama asma kire. Say sa Zongo Development Fund no. Sika sei na edem na adwuma ben no mo de adi ama ye nkremufo ye nuanum nkremufo ewi obekire me e ma ne nkoka 190 million because sika no akanofuri ata approve ye o se odi koye free SHS odi posisi school dan
na we see
sa na o kan
na sa no we hu
am yet minya hu ye tu de miyedu ameba ho
ba for ka de hu
sa ho eno ho yeti krom ha na ye nuanum nkremufo na o mo kọ haja na eyatete papa sometimes omkokra na ebiwu na bebrewu how bebrebe na ewu okay e kai se 2007 enipa or they say 3000 na wo fa yawu sa mira na wo ko haja okomeka ye nyina yehu ye eye nimsem John Mahama baaye ohu se ade ntina ye nuano ekoye wonsum ho adwuma nanso ede haw ne abebrese ema omanfo ne sa ene ma minsi Hajj village emfama wo he did that e won kransisia yes obetimi a check ahwe osima wo etoso biem na omokwa na omutua 13,500 Ghana cedis the time Nanado one Vice President Bawumia peso
Say they are called 19,500. And no kura no mo kwa how we will nya senketo. Ebiem sahaje sensem ye. Former president John Dramani Mahama. Ono na ye Tamale Airport International. For first time in history, plane etimi free Tamale Eko Mecca straight. Ebi si da. Na omo kwa wunim die wu. Nse me di kan say omo kwa ya na nipa na bi wu. Yare ni ade. Ono pe any omampani a odi kan a odi nurses any doctors eka won plane ho e free Ghana eko Mecca. Se obi yare a plane mu yetimi hwe. Na achievement na make kan no. Ebiem eye sese edu se plane betu akọ Mecca. Ono ni president omampani odi kan a ekremofo ho da dwene eda no sunti no. Ugina ho na Oma osi omu nyina off before obefiri ho. Serious. Ansa na oma eden omu efiri ho. Enti se omampani bi aba na wabedi se adwuma we se ama ye nuanum kramofo a. Ugidi se baomia eden na waye ewo ho ede abo. So sanyama we kura no tells us say ene na Omampani dada John Dramani Mahama okwa asori de o Kristo ni de nanso na nkramofo hu dadwene eda no so echen aba bia okuru ya so sa na ema we nku anti no de ye kan say de ye nkramofo ye kan say papa sa de we nku a waya ma yenti beto aba ye nso ho a onim se du ba bi na ye ni Islamic Education Unit na eni ho ono pe any president obaya obey Islamic Education Unit ema ye nkramofo se ye wie school a yetimi ko homa ye post ye ema ye ko chiade a whole lot okay sense bi baya na ye nkramofo man ye man omo tihye hijaba na ase people make mockery out of sa and then ono penny people will gina and say no, Ghana is a secular nation. Therefore, ehia say ye nuanum kramofo man omo right to say omo hye hijab ekata wo ti so. Enti say obi abetena se aye sa nyama we say nyina mama. Ufri say ye nua yenim se ye nua ba. Se ye nua ne de oye kramoni nti ono de ne yenim say anko no po be ye de chen ye papa wo yayi ono po ye Kristo ye de anko be ye de chen. He is the second gentleman of the land.
It doesn't make him the president, and that's why he.
And yes, and it is sad, yeah.
If he's part of it, because the president, every time I can say the for you.
Oh, I'm yet to. Yes. So can it sad, yeah. And you're man, vice president is where you are. True. So, or say digitalization on the because when you're president. So how come so because of digitalization? Buy. Digitalization. And now what that? Diane, never hold that. Oh, never hold that. Because you get to groom and say NCA Diane don't the man see. Only leave fiber optics. So what you are trying to say is this. Buy. Yeah.
Digitalization is general
definitely.
And free SHS so no.
Oh, na say ni jina ho free SHS asema okofa betwa free SHS asema okofa betwa. Or say let's make the thing.
It wasn't so popular for everybody to know that he brought the free SHS.
Oh, actually say one person
that is most moye ho they say bi wo promo say enka FCH say enye
they da ye ni say and say enyenyo they da ye ni say they da ye ni say yan contradict you they kan ni say free SHS no o ka say wo ye no one at a go and the how be ba and they progressively free no what am I say
enjoy the progressively free.
Oh, first years at that time, first years 2016, 2017. First years they enjoy the progressively free because he made us understand they say Ghana you lack infrastructure. Therefore, obesi 200 community day senior high schools in Ghana. Okate is 130. A car 70 and no near him for 80 assassin komo agents asase. And no na okan new thing okan say progressively what free. Yeah, o starting osisi school adan. And another say there be yenye no free SHS outright. And again na you. You who say free SHS for now. Oh, so what we are trying to say is this. For now, Nkura no go school. Nkura go school. 3 months, 2 months. Vice President say, I will say, you lack infrastructure. Therefore, in here say practicing green good all the track system. Say the be Nkura ni nyina be nya biako. Because Nkura no mu nyina eco free SHS mo so. No, want again tina na wo. Ade wo ho ye say infrastructures ni huntia. Eno ntina nipa omampani a tikese awi anwe a oso da ye passe. Ene me nya infrastructures no mu. Ye nya enu wi a afi de betimi abie the whole thing na to. Eye bone ana. Enye bone. IMF report was saying free SHS was poorly targeted. IMF report.
That's why you people also say papa.
Oh,
and papa you brought it.
Oh, 19 amateur say yes, progressively what free as compared to the free progressively. You chiri mu the entire progressively, and also say total what free outright. And then the year brew so year brew and you know the Ghana for a brand new say and Krakow school 2 months. If you are cutting fee 2 months, no, you are cutting fee 4 months. A bra yebre say IMF say free SHS was poorly what targeted because the sikana yes spending woman a bon wine car. After could do say educational watch say sikana educate yanka say betwem. Yes, you be review. NPP one now can review or say. Yes, you yes, say you be review. Review need be say. Review need be. Oh, send it you say review need say. Makasa educational watch say. Aban no school free SHS. Sika ye twia no. Aban no etwia 30% na wo 70%. For now, you who say aban no class top pass questions. Em school from cry. So you see be reviewer. You be cut off point. What you say? You be cut off point and then we introduce the vocational system. Ni nyina be come. It you can say reviewer, you can say council. Council is different from what? Review. Me what?
Timber review ni.
You be review ni na nkura na nya. Asichire de agu onkopom.
Na de omokomu di no wrong.
Oh, KSCS recently KSCS. And I say on teacher ba ko be ba one thing be can say.
Na no pamba mo gari soakings area no mo die ba. You mentioned no mo di. But I heard him saying it. On the video. Oh,
no.
Oh,
now him say ye CapCut abentini. Say yetimi
yatini na me amebo video no. So what say me bo afide ma me fa video no send na yeti se ma present say no kra no anopomudi.
Obedi gari
soakings na say no area o mo die ba. Na nwumre no beans ne ade no so omodi e dey piece nti aduane nyina no e carbohydrate na e na wo mu ebidi e dey akọ na ko shokwa na be chichi eme mura akwa
ya nua da nyame adom ne ho bible da ne dika no me akasa mechia mpanyifo ye party mpanyifo nyina na afi so aye me akasa me wofa kwadraje Japan is in town. Now feels so Dr. Mahmoud.
Okay.
Dr. Sentinel. Doctor still in town.
Nekasa ye medeo.
Who said Dr.
Nekasa ye mede.
Yes, Dr. Mahmoud we also will be aware.
And I like his wife.
And I also want money. So I say also a problem solver. And you say ya no more almost sorry ya na bomb go an or me de omoto. Na feel so much ya me krom jama se chechwe refu. Aha, say makacho say 24 for your boy afia for it. Enti jama se chechwe refu nyina momra na mommabuaye. Ana feel yet the party chairman, Yura Chama went to me, a polling station for Chuma Moye, Agent and Mokosonye, and you said you couldn't dear El Ho am I. Damn. A yet Yura met you Poku Prempe. A can, Udika per ye me bought doctor met you Poku Prempe Abaso. And then he say, NDC. Apan ankasa a free Yura Jerry John Lawrence so ebepem sabi NDC for entimi enyi running mate pa woye muslimini eda from 1992 JJ Lawrence Yura aye a konkansa aka so bekaya aye eba ye nimwa wasade Yura Prof Mills and eba ye Yura the former candidate NPP Yura Edubuahin eyi ne running mate no waji Roland Isifu Arahasa from 1982 and what any year eba Yura J Kufuor so no waji Yura Aliu Mahama ana edino eba ya woye muslimini yes sanche Prof Mills eba ya Prof Mills so ne running mate na e hwan ya waji Yura John Dramani Mahama aneba ye a wono so ye Kristo ni adodan kwa Kufuor adon so ba ye 208 Saubeka ya woyi Yura His Excellency the incoming president Jenny Sentinel aji bebia Yura Dr. Mahamadu Pawumia amode ne bai woni no ayadwuma efie poli edu siani aniyeko mebisa minia eye abafo se enti wo mo akasa NDC fo edie na muslimi fo aye wo mo Warren's time any NDC fo free ho Warren's so ebepim ele obi enu ono mo matime yi no as a running mate da even omo party no kra no de odi animu age franka adi ama NDC party omunyi muslimi ni da asedan kanyame
eno efa ho
me party nyenti a Yewura na po ekasa no echese NDC fo enya dia omo pe muslimi fo asem yes because they be no omo yusu yenua muslimi fo na omatampe wo mo any say che on said na in parliament na ye wo minority leader ye akasa yenua Haruna Idrisu ye muslimi ya Haruna Idrisu ye obi a onimoma yie parliament o watena ho no ma che awonim hihye yie paayi fofia antoata se wo mo se Haruna Idrisu ayi obi a obetimi alidi party no because of say muslimi nyinti no abo no mana ye kan say Mahama asimunyini free ho no mo ana omu ye de be eji ni free ho no mo me ka me kirawo na say Haruna Idrisu wo no stand for NDC as a flag bearer no ni ade a ankobefa ana oye de be omu yi ni free ho hwasomase mutaka pa Muhammad atuma mutaka eye wasomase NDC for nam se mutaka aye muslimi ninti omo popo se ye be yi yewura mutaka firi hono no e de ben no nya minority chief we ahono ma no wa yi na firi hono which is NDC for epe muslimi for ache epe muslimi for asemana omo jusu omo no ma dampe yen MPP emu enna yen etimi ayi obi a oye muslimi ni se ye party don ankasa no ye enye yi ye no ti se ye nua muslimi fo enne MPP fo ye na kane no dodo ne kane se MPP de ya kan fo party ba ni why MPP party no eye dankwa buzia eden tombo so eti yen ye ne esrofo no ana chichire party no enne ani ye di ye nuanum esemni candidate eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edi no edi anim eti se enne die na NDC fo tumfutro gu enipa bi ani ese muslimi ni bi ani onoma obetimi lead New Patriotic Party a enne de ye ka che omo se enne ye nuanu muslimi ni ana edi anim ye niti eso moto abano edima yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because tienie NDC for ana se wo beka ya omububu aye mosque akesie mienu ewo Ghana hanu enkran ni kofobia NDC for ebubu ne sen kra yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebai over 21 aye mosque awaye de ben waje ni yie min kan kwa chiri kra no ko Central Mosque Central Mosque ko Asawase Central Mosque she said the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aye say ye ka obi a otimi eka nipa bom a eye party a yenti mu ese wefri ha no ma na eye New Patriotic Party ye no ti ana yewura Napo the incoming vice ese eye no se woto aba edima yewura eye Mahama na se biebu se bieso na akoyie efri se ye nuamu muslimi fo musumu die nie musumu di bia eye yes ana yes Zongo community no about 400 infrastructure projects yaye ana feel so dan atio che ebra yewura eye John Ajekum Kofo o si Jubilee House Jubilee House ankasa esi hon no ebra Prof Mills ene yewura John Dramani Mahama ebaye no omo esi Jubilee House wo do da omo say eye o se Jubilee House so esinima omo say hon mo Zongo community ye nti ehun hia so mbesi o bibisa se omo ti hon mo da omo esi hon mo da we kire se omo mpe ye nuanu muslimi fo asem because omo pe ye nuanu muslimi fo asem no ya akanya dia akase biebu se bie son minua muslimi fo a na wo mo so kaya yo mo yere wo mo na mo twa wo tax enne ana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia si minua muslimi fo ene MPP abai ese enne monsoso munyansa no adwuma ni bia eyo monsoso no yema musika e de hye adwuma mu a eye na afi no kaya yo no monsoso mo e de be mo agtai yenuti doctor eka ama yenua no muslimi fu nyina ati ase ese enne monsoso mu die nie mudie nie yes nature say wo madia bro kese o manya de because John Dramani Mahama, the former president. Bibia papa bia ni onoma obaye obeye edeboy. Even Sada, they could be nua. Could be nua kwa won no for no. E dia de no de. Enua ni nyina ye hu nua yi. So, enua nom ni ade a sika chichiri die twa ye mu fa ko dua nua. Enua ye hu ba bia e fa ye. So, enne MPP aban ankasa ebaye. Omu ye nua no muslimi fo a enne se omo pese wososo wo ye medicine no nkata. Aban ma wo scholarship ankasa ema wososo utimi diko eko Cuba eko kosua medicine eba we ye initiatives a then yewura Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia any MPP edi egu onoma ye di ama ye nuanu muslimi fo. Eti se meka adaje bebo me. Eti die meka che metiefo ne mawefo nyina ne se. Me nuanu muslimi fo e. Mu die ni o. Asanteman aji yewura Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia atu.
Okay.
Yenu ti montu ni boom ni aso so mamu on the 7th December. Eti se wo kotowa bana Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Ahu brasieni the problem solver. Ni okan na waye. Je wonu onfa ye nkodum so mu. Je kani asisi so. Je enne ankasa woni adodan kwakufu ado. Omu se district assemblies ni bibli ono ma. Enne 12 ya peja wom ama omumu duro no akosro. Ya ma bi aye metropolitans. Any municipal as they say emofra ye befa won adwuma esa wum yenu nti mesrew doctor order number 1 oka woyo enne ana say walanche eye credit score ese enne se wo ye adwuma enam se wo Ghana ka enam se wo digital address wo hono nti no se wo o pese enne wo secure efie a wo so tenamunum ne a aban ne obekọ hyehyẹ ese ebia efiedu idibetua na afa edidan na ma na yatetewo kakran epre a wonye debei o medi president no wono kwa no alanche enye obi a wono de wo se obema ye nkokọ nketenkete enye no na Ghana fo si ye oh David adaya pa na wo me ne se daya
na na ageti ni video no say se wo ye youth na bia wo fa akukọ adwuma na pese wo ya won be ma akukọ buo no ya pa akukọ no nke
na nya wono na ka kire
na woni se
daya akukọ ni yin no amutu nkosia
na akukọ no na akroma bechi wo mo akroma bechi nkokọ na ne ye ne dai kaya for police ye be bua nkola emabunu so achase
ye youth ni ebuo no de kokọ aka ho no de nuane aka ho na wa fi ni
me se na kraman na wo fie ho no mo no wo chiri nkokọ na wi ane ye ne dan emma wo mo enkwada wo mo awie school no ma wo mo pa adwuma ye yewura ye kan say Mahama eka kire wo mo se wo mo nkotwa sere no wo mo nkoton enne ana emrantie ne emabaawa nursing training allowance ye wo mo nye teachers training allowance enne ana electrical vehicle so aba yemiti misamo abusiafo on the 7th December tax waiver eba o frustrate you yewura Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia the problem solver to aba man number 1
na bafo eba ne say na tese ne de mo pese mo chese yenkwe poultry farm na
poultry farm
yenkwe nkukọ nkiti a ne ye ka
me pese me yende nkukọ nkiti enne e wa hase
papa yi kan ye nyina ya
ni abotre
me ameto at video de
ni abotre nkukọ nkiti oh mate ba me pese me clad ye bi ba Mahama to develop poultry and livestock Modern Ghana and published here 24th June 2024 Yenhwe Bawumia second or say incentivize more youth to go into poultry production. check it.
Why would you ask us
Eh,
to go into poultry, farming? Because
And then this same question, Anentina Baumia so catch it say we should incentivize
no,
more
when we are
to
talking
go
about
into
your stick
poultry
to yours,
production.
don't go to it.
No.
Obi aka na say.
Saa nkokɔ nkete-
Minya wona maybe so mu.
Maybe person me catch it say saa nkokɔ nketenkete na wɔka ho asɛm. Saa nkokɔ nketenkete no ma ama na di ka kan. Ɛna Baumia so ka bi say ɔno nso bɛma youth no nkokɔ nketenkete. So what is it? The air can say you can say nkokɔ yɛn kan say nkokɔ nketenkete o.
Nede.
But the when him say KFC e wo kurom ya.
Oh.
KFC say
Uh-huh.
all pay local production like nkokɔ Ghana deɛ ni bi na nko ma to. E de egusti ayo omo
Omunuane no.
omunuane.
Uh-huh.
Here is the case number all pen where
So-
it is still or crafty
So-
kurom na eba. So the air can say it is a Gida project na. Gida project so okay. I almost confirm it to Congo. But here is the case I confirm Jimmy 2 free happy. And quite Tenga Junction.
Whatever.
What I say? The air can say some project the air can say. Yenim say yetikrume yenim say poultry production idea and for so bebree ewom. So former president is oba boost sa sector. Say the be amrantie ne mmaba a wabenya adwuma aye. Ni nyina no on ka say nkoko nkitikiti o. Asem ni nyina o boost ama obeso wanse obema wo sika. Yes, obema.
Nenkebe the former president because meba me busi ehɔ no ama na ye de na ye kama na this is the case all cannot say so we you say metie yi na mani gye sɛ menya akoko sɛ akoko adwuma na ye bebi adwuma nketenkete na wo a wo pɛ sɛ wo ye poultry no ye de ebuo no be mam na ye san pa akoko nketenkete no de amam na ye de omo aduane aka ho na meba ma me pesi na omo de aka ye ho enti ye nkoko ni nyini na wo mo tukosua na ye so yakoton na ye so ye de sika na ye de atu ye botom na me bisa sɛ enti onto sɛ nkoko no beto no na kyese sika no me ye botom no
Ye nyina nim say poultry farming a
must you
business.
come and give us a buo and nkoko?
Poultry farming we nim say a business one of the
I haven't
business.
said any business.
Yes, but or say say
Well,
fan say
yeah,
one ewu
Okay.
I fan nkoko 800. A whole year.
No, some nkoko ma 800.
One man nkoko ma
No,
800.
some ma oduane aka.
No one aduane aka ho say fan show saa 6 months complete omo betu 6 months no omo to saa 2 years we nim fa so obi ya and no anything no say he will develop poultry and livestock and no anna Baumia also say I will incentivize more youth to go into poultry production. So what is the difference here? Onu wa chere ni die any onu so or say he will incentivize more youth to go into poultry production. On chere yemu ekwan be na obefa so a onu obeye ne die dia make out my say wa chere ni die say minimum bi oku ase owo nkoko 800 o de si abrosan e okurumia
Yen ka say.
enti na make say so say former president abeka say asem bia any e was Ghana for your born abaso because poultry production business ewumi e okurumia it is what this akwanya we ato aman say ọma ye nkoko ọma ye ngo ọma ye feeder enti na ye mo ye nsem ma no
No, on my Yemo yesema no.
Yemo yesema no na emu wanka se.
No chiche. Video no wan tie bia na. I said I was some pay kase.
So you say was small and medium businesses be wa.
For ribata na me ko. I say no. Former president today or say ebe ya your friend is say
What's it say?
oh, ba me kan dia. Ai me ba osisi ni de a chopa chinchirinchi na kyerɛ sɛ ebe ya ɔmo mfa nkyɛ no oziremu mfo mpanimfo mfa nkyɛ yɛn papa na pull for saying say voting for NDC is a haram. So I'll say I want to just go and then read it for us. Former President Mahama has asked Allah forgiveness for Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh following his controversial comments that Muslims who vote for NDC will be committing haram.
Yo.
You say maybe 45 into no. Yeah, more chance say 50 kwa. Say 6 yonko. But for what? Yee. Ufi be do.
Yeah.
Ubafuda.
Oh, I was saying.
Yeah.
You don't turn 20.
Yonko.
That that's me pese me chief one ma hwefo eti ase me nuanu mo koko akuafo his excellency adodan kwakufu ado any MPP abai ya sa tu koko mu biem eti sese wo kọ na se wo PC no ese ye 3000 ye 30 million na ka kire ne se akufu ado his excellency e di 100 Ghana asa to so e di amamo eti akuafo ati de.
Okay.
And after so doctor me ebi tie
I saw someone to one.
yeah
Says almost to you.
oh yeah koko sa yeah koko
Oh, asa.
ejina koko
Asa.
me nana koko e wo yanfo da bia no me ade koko no mu
Says you to mu dey asa.
me ne say gusu ayete
Oh, asa no. No. So o mate majo want.
yeah timwe yeah except up to January
For 1 hour can say you 2 million and
on se wo ba ye dan on se wo ba ye no me ade koko ni eto ne say on se na 4 million 4.6 on na be cho na adodan kwakufu adoni MPP abai etikese awi adwen yesi akuafo asuboto mu ayede na woni his excellency the incoming president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia asakra the initiative was ade akuafo kra ne se akuafo ma na kane no omu scholarship no mi ade dia to omu suku so a na ye di ni nyina no omu nyina no ye be mu omu nyina scholarship we any adwenkese tikese awi adwe we need the problem solver Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ayese wo ye de be woto waba e de ema no yewa John Dramani Mahama say wo pacho diama wan yewa enfanche the running mate they ain't coming. Yeah. Metropoku prempe. On fanche no. Mahama. You said wo akasa wo bon ne won paye. I said Ghana for medimo. Ghana for mayama bro. I said mi akasa me baye Ghana for nya ejidie wo mu eto abama ayen. Na fewu ba ye wuta nursing training and teachers training allowance. Emu emofra sebia good sebia song womu na womu wotu mu no mu tia like be. Ese wo bo ho sampaye. Ese wo bo mpaye. Ese wankasa wo ba ye no. Uma enwuma egugu ye. Bo wo wankasa wo ho mpaye. Yewura John Dramani Mahama. Bo wo ho mpaye. Ese wankasa woka say free SHS enye ye eye 419 bo wan kasa wo ho mpaye ese wan kasa woka say obeyi gwengwen line from Kumasi to Hemle to Bole e wai bo wo ho mpaye wan kasa eye a teacher for eye adwuma efie miensa na wutua efie wutua bosome miensa bo wo ho mpaye sa de wo jaye gan na yewa Metropoku prempe de wo kan ye no ana wono no mo ho mpaye wo ka ama wati ase se ewudie awan kasa wuyusu yenuanu muslimifo na afi mu dampe wo mo mpese ye yenuanu muslimifo omu benya tumi ni bi omu de omu ni bia enye yanu ti ena gudo me se bo wo ho mpaye na epa Ghana for achew ewo adumaso a wo obaye o ma Ghana for ebreye Mami akosha mansa a wo estate ana ne ba oton bidie ana ne ba ntimi nya access to eye secondary school ene ekola no ko ya yeseje ne kototo no ma na ebra
Okay.
mi akasa mikro mu jama se chechwere tienie mikro mu jama se chechwere na obi ntimi nko prempe college ene obi atimi akọ prempe college ene minua bia wono soso no wo se fanchire bra akurase akokọ bewi ate eho no mo ene wono soso atimi kọ eye owaso ni nyina no eye initiative pa ɛyɛ yewura Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ɛne MPP apan ana afei so no ɛyɛ Metro Poku Prempeh yewura napo ɛsoso wɔno dwumadi de hyɛ ne nsa ɛwɔ implementation of free SHS wɔno nya kodro a wɔkɔɔyɛ a wɔyɛ yɛ wɔne yewura ɔsɛ yɛ wɔde twum ɛde gu hɔ no mo a ɛnɛ baabia no ne sente no agye baabia ɛna Metro Poku Prempeh so ɛna ne mo nka ne yɛ dɛbɛ esi so yɛno nti yɛme ka kyerɛ yewura John Dramani Mahama sɛ ɔno akasa esi ne tiri ase na wɔn ɔno akasa ho mpaeɛ ɛwɔ bɔne a wadi Ghanafoɔ ɛsɛ sɛ na aban bi wɔ hɔ no a na wɔse ampa sɛ me ba no ne adeɛ ɛnɛ ɛyɛ district courts baabi a wobɛfa biara no district biara ɛwɔ court yɛagyaagyefoɔ ɔmo dan wokɔ RCC a ana ɛgu hɔ no sɛ na aban bi wɔ hɔ no a ɔba a otimi gye drip ɛba ɛyɛ initiative a Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia baayɛ a ɛnɛ yɛnkurase nyinaa drip machine ana esi hɔ no ɔno ɔka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ wayɛ ɛkwan nyinaa sɛ na aban bi wɔ hɔ no a wɔba no ne a ɔbaayɛ a wɔno nso no sɛ otimi di initiative bi egu hɔ no etimi ma akoko akuafoɔ ɛsoso no incentive ne pension scheme etimi de to hɔ no
all right
yewura Mahama John Dramani Mahama the former president yeah he's a former president yes the former president mesra wo pacho bebre say yo hu aduro
okay
yo hu aduro yi if you say what Ghanafoɔ
me that say
Diane
up to 50 years
Mira ho
adifara
budu nsɛm a ɔbɛkɛkɛ hwɛ free cocoa board scholarship na ɛwɔ hɔ City News publish say cocoa board terminate scholarship scheme citing the implementation of the free senior high school one Nanado ɛne Bawumia na so we year fro afei de wo hu sɛ Ghanafoɔ hia saa de nti ɔso ɔsan de ba meboa sese yɛtɔ cocoa one bag ɛwɔ world market sɛ yɛtɔ no 93 million na sɛ ɔkɔma kuani 31 million na yɛmo yɛn sɛ ma sɛ wayɛ ade as president and vice president o sɛ ɛnkane na ɛsɛ ɛnkane ne yɛtɔ no world market sɛ yɛ wo yɛtɔ no world market ɛne yɛde hwɛ ɛho de ma akuafoɔ na sɛ ne yɛtɔ no world market 93 million na bɛma kuani 31 million wo president no vice president wafa sɛ wafa sika sɛ wafa 62 million so akuafoɔ mo wɔn sɛ ma pension scheme akuafoɔ pension scheme a wɔka kuani bɛn ɛna ɔsi wanya bi sa pension scheme obi anya bi minim koko mifi koko area so minim bi amika obi anya wanya bi John Dramani Mahama former president the time no otimi produce otimi ma enya koko 900,000 metric tons wo pension ɛso atia ba bedru 400 ɛnyɛ wani wo betena ha ka sɛ John Dramani Mahama nya ne ho adu ɔde sɛn fertilizer wo ka sɛ ɔde bɛma koko akuafo wasesa kogu border town what the free Ghana Cote d'Ivoire ɛne Togo na motɔn ma wo
nokre bia nim
ɛna motɔn ma wo ɛwɔ hɔ pase nokre motɔn ma wo
nokre bia
koko na mass spray ɔmo kɔtɔn ma na Ghana akɔrɔ tinto fertilizer no mutimi to even they have money but ɔmo nya bi no mato ɛyɛ Nanado ɛne Bawumia apenso ya eti emo yɛ nsɛm ma mo sɛm ayɛ ade ɛhaw a mo de Ghana fo afa mu dumso ɛyɛ this is the so be dumso but yɛ ka sɛ ɛnɛsɛsɛ de na yehu unim sɛ esla na John Dramani Mahama de ba esi emfentua yenka ye de IPPs NPP abade ajebusan till 2035 ye ti kroma yenim ene omsi omde edum CC mebwa omsi omde edum CC can you nyina so 24 hours oh yes sure as we say or see on the solve so yakofa American power if you take it back Roma 5 million udi free cry eba domi abrahasi $35 million. What's the young way and some mouse or best of it? And how many Ghana for coming? What's the best of it? The PDS scandal. The first time in history, our president say he was being misled. Chromia say, yet Chroma in our course. What's the young way and some mouse or why idea? John Mahama say, or say John Mahama and wood. Or you would do. John Mahama say, Yanko, on fan chenapo, because on India walker. Sanapon in the walker, anti Chroma and Apo, a catcher and Quara, yes, for Quara say, the only and Crassi only baby young one. Or see, they should use polythene bags. Money polythene bags, Anna. We use polythene bags now. Move your Mako to actually. Oh, baby. It takes, what they say, bus stop boys. And a one plaque Rumaya say. Get Roma Zoom Lion, government initiative. We want to meet your Mumpoka. It is an Apo, former president, or Yankupo, Yamiama, it is a cousin Yankupo Islam. Because only people are in Ghana for. Say education minister, or catch a school from what I say. Yen your toilet, or catch a say, young Koran use polythene bags. Yanti Chroma and mathematical set. Any calculator, Yandy Bakun the edgy 178 cities. And then a point initiative. Mathematical set, calculator, or the mathematical set, or the 78 cities. Oh, Chromia. So, what's the young way and some Napo, so why are you? And then an apply with Chromia. And the other than a post why. Oh, yeah. The other was why. Ni minister obedi ni what they say. You didn't buy energy sector. You didn't see you. The person ye kofa plant every grabber domiabra $35 million. The same plant in a different Turkey, Ebel Kruman was $5 million. So what's your moy and some napo say why are you? It will Krumia. Yanti Kroma do 242 na po say. Ko na me na metete wo enti de ni peka says de ni peka e mane nyo. Any 2 hours o e na okoto bomb go say mu kwa no. Yanti Kroma wudi nhie. Enti se ni po we say so be kasa. Na po ade a yesre ni se nka omfa ni nkwohye de me pipi fon san fa ni hye de. No mun training I don't have earlier. Ansa na kwa agwontia because baby obekasa bi otobom. Enti so obekasa because ni no say o wa chaba me harama. Eno na ya kire say so wohwe niema Cuba nsensemi a ye kan wasemi a budo kan wasemi Cuba scholarship na wo dada John Dramani Mahama offer enkramufo 200 and ma won scholarship say won ko Cuba enko study medicine on kire medodo a Baumia ene na na Dubai enkramufo dodo afọ ni ma o kan wasem Mahama ene timi developing nima ema na enye ho na nanadete ono na ye asphalt kwan ne ho mala matenyi no na ye o se wa ye kwan Ghana kwan ne o se wa ye 12,000 kilometers unim arehu sembi omo ka se Ghana for ye nsua di o ufri Ghana ha e ko US 84,308 kilometers o se uti Kroma o se wa ye kwan 12,000 kilometers je ene na che se no kwan di anka Ghana anka yeni kwa ba kokura yenye yo unim za se ufri Kroma ko US 8,438 Nessa also why you quite 12,000. The dinner, John Dramani Mahama says, "So many president that Sasa more can say, oh my, you quite 12,000 kilometers. Oh, if you say you are true, Sasa anyhow. I can't think you could do a coin now. Togo in Yanka because if you are going USA 8,438 kilometers. And you can say Togo for you now coin in a but Busan say a one. Busan say a one. Anyway. Enti we treating people so FDF the whole West Africa for baby how be trying to say ya now pe say yenye wo den enti aman we there eni dey favor aman for the first time what is here akogogo ye free ya to your stadium akogogo wo bi man so what be that aban we nko na am ye hu bi enle papa bi Michael Lado na me fa ni crazy aban we na ku because the pension sika nyina aban na fa say oye debt restructure ntimi service the debt enti sa bond holders nyina wa seize wo sika papa ye nya sika nkoto duro enti papa no ye den wa free ye maame no ye papa no ye ofofo bebrebe e na ewu e wo sa nyema Eti yɛn mo yɛn nsɛm aban mu.
Okay. 020266 na yes sorry jumedi say na mo time na ya fa ni nyina enti mo momode na mo monrem na iye nko 0202668461. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Miniaba.
Oh, Neji, me won ka che.
Miniaba mpacho, anyame adaro me wo ho.
Great.
Na enam hindi ka 20. Last week na napam pem. Edin 42 anniversary ama ni brave we gifa tuma yi. Definitely we are. And then me you na me so na ma share na. So you na why.
Na kasa.
Yo, the me kan me gidi say endi no asama kan wa say no. That's one one him say ntiaba no one ho boden chem pin dada mahama. Na sema mo dada mahama ka say ewura na po. Ya me fan chen no, the bi na so on kwa say you the way no you do tia na. Ye ka say Ghana po yin ntu say o penye ko do no ma pa me ade. O mo chi no bi ni ho. So mo mbo a mo sa ye bia ko so ma ye. Ya me ka mo wa bi ya ba.
0202668461 0202668461. Hello, good morning. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Dan.
Great. Mido, yenti one open when I'm the ka say.
Pacho, your friend me, Eric, because you're free, I have a name.
Great.
Now, who point you out near Juma? We did the other friend of Wabaso. And Michelle, was a man I am watching, so I have them on too. Now, the person, my mammy, papa, and no brandy senior to your thing in the Biasica credit. Yes, run free SHS and digitalization media. And come to what you cross from the buy. Or say, you know, say, Coco, Yati Coco, Massa, maybe I make Coco crane, and not for a cotton cocoa. I am boy, this is your person. As I thought you don't want to see a fertilizer. Oh, man, I'm going to fertilize anything for money. Mr. Wom, except this for no one trona or move channel. Never go command it and get in on watching the move from. Oh, my, that mamma and a cry. Also, Giant, the moon, and punch them my baby, and Coco Bonnie go command it and get it. Yamako told Yanni. Some of the video, when someone goes to Anibam, Kujama, drop it. We now will deny. So, no one chance to center and 2 foot from me. You baby, I fear the about Echo. The Damasi.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. 0202668461. Also, get me a free. I can just 2 minutes quickly. Last call, I'm running on call. And come on here, then I see idea.
Hello?
Hello, good morning. Last caller.
Good morning, madam. Na muhu ya biye.
Yami Adomiro announce way.
Yami Adomiro. Nipa to MPP for no. Omu re ti se omu penyi de mre bi wo dinko kemofo atem se. Ye tutire mu ba ye ho bon ye be some run of power. E na ye jale. Omu re ti obi na. Ye ntu aba ma omu to mbelusu.
Kasa wo nto. Me da se. Nyame nka ho. Kasa me de me nto momo. Because koko mo so bi akra ne de. Enti ye ko bafo.
Yo.
Budu.
Yo, why ma?
1 second.
Nyame Kenya na ne say. We say NDC will progressively abolish free SHS. Okay. Professor Kwaku Danso Bafo, a chairman of NDC Manifesto Committee chairman. On a Mr. Mo, I have phone him a chief. Said ye John Dramani Mahama Kacha say Yarea Refrain. A Pamocho, see the Yarea Refrain because of free SHS Abba. Ye Mofrano, or Motimia, and Yeniti, ye can't ye piano, and that's who ye chill. Was as we jump from was so second. A strong Okotoa bar. You got Dr. Muhammad Baumia, the bull solution, and what they ever to Abaman or that number one.
Let us say. Bafo, yes, on be so.
Yeah, Quaidi. Let me say, Ghana for that's one so as answer. Okay. Yahudi woman in our Kusia to the Prince here to read it. Be a dear dancer say, John Dramani, Mama, pet. Any the power betting me between charging Ghana. If you hear how you've been a dear, you will must see. Okay. It's as a Ghana with German croffood. Or must say, so yes, the Ghana, yeah, Ghana, yeah, resetting Ghana. It's vote number 8. Not John Dramani Mahamoyedi. Or resetting Ghana.
Nice one. Budu, Radio Communication Team member for the NPP. Seriously, of course, me about for Radio Communication Team member for the National Democratic Congress. I mean, you could say NDC, a better AOD for a for Samsung Kwekwe, Boas, so and then the sacrifice, a better one say. Production cleaning there, the one famous.